Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to Grade 4 Computer Science online class. So, children, today we are going to revise the third lesson in computer science, that is more about TextPaint. Okay. So, today we can revise the booklet portion as well as the book portion, book exercise. Okay. So, let's start. So, in page number 44, you have the book exercise. Is it in much of the chapter 3. See, first one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, the stamp tool is like a rubber stamps or a sticker. The stamps tools is like a rubber stamp or a sticker. Second one, you can mute the sound by pressing Alt plus S key. You can mute the sound by pressing Alt plus S keys. Look at next one. A slideshow is an systematic display of selected pictures one by one. A slideshow is a systematic display of selected pictures one by one. Fourth one, click the escape to exit the slideshow. See, once again, click the escape to exit the slideshow. Fifth one, click the back button at the bottom right corner of the slideshow to return to the list of pictures. Click the back button at the bottom right corner of the slideshow to return to the list of pictures. Look at next one. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. First one, to move to the various categories of stamps, use the left and right arrows. To move to the various categories of stamps, use the left and right arrows. That is true. True, first one. Then all stamps are colored. All stamps are colored. That is false. Okay, it's not. All the stamps are not colored. Okay, so it is given as all the stamps are colored. That is false. Next, you can increase or decrease the size of the stamp. You can increase or decrease the size of the stamp. So we can increase and decrease the size of the stamp in the TextPaint. That is true. Next one, the slides button is used to display the storyboard. The slides button is used to display the storyboard. That is true. Okay, that is true. Last one, you cannot deselect a picture once selected for the slideshow. You cannot deselect a picture once selected for the slideshow. That is false. Okay, once we selected the picture, we can able to deselect the picture also. Okay, so but it is given we cannot deselect a picture. That is wrong. Okay, wrong answer. Next one, choose the correct option. Okay, choose the correct option. First question, pictures in a slideshow are marked as. Pictures in a slideshow are marked as. ABC is given capital letter, then small letter ABCD, then numbers from 1 to 3 etc. is given, then Roman numbers are given. So which is the correct one, ma? Yes, the pictures of the slideshow are marked by the numbers 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 etc. Next one, click this button to select the pictures for the slideshow. Click this button to select the pictures for the slideshow. So if you want to select the picture for the slideshow means we have to press on which button, ma? The options are given: open, slides, erase, back. The correct answer is slides. Okay, slides. Look at next one. This button is used to start the slideshow. This button is used to start the slideshow. If you want to start the slideshow storyboard means which button have to press it? Look at the options we have: play, back, then open, new. Play, then back. The next one is open, new. The correct answer is play. If you want to start the slideshow means we have to press on the play button. Then fourth one, if the sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the play button is not selected. So what's the question? If the sliding scale, okay, in the sliding scale where it is present at the bottom left corner of the screen, it is next to where play button is not selected. Okay, what will you do it, ma? See the options we have: sliding in the slideshow, move automatically, first option. Second one, sliding in the slideshow, move manually by pressing the spacebar, enter or right arrow. Sliding in the slideshow, move manually by pressing the spacebar, enter or right arrow. Third option is click the next button to move to the next slide. click the next button to move to the next slide. And last option we have option 2 and 3. See ma, the option second and third only correct, so we have to click on tick it on the fourth option, option 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, option 2 and 3. See next one, to deselect a picture you have selected for the slideshow. To deselect a picture you have selected for the slideshow. So once you selected for the slideshow the pictures, if you want to deselect means what we have to do it, see the options, click the selected picture, then press the delete button, press the quit button, press the backspace key. So if you want to deselect a picture from the selected one means we have to click that selected pictures. Okay, we have to click one more time, so it will be deselected. Okay, see lesson 3, more about explain the booklet portions. First one, Roman number 1, answer the following. What is a slideshow? What is a slideshow? The answer is a slideshow is a systematic display of the selected picture one by one. Yes, a slideshow is a systematic display of the selected pictures one by one. Okay, see the spelling of systematic, 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 systematic. Okay, display, DISPLY, display. Selected spelling is what ma, SCLECTED, selected, SCLECTED, selected. Okay, next one, how will you start the slideshow? How will you start the slideshow? The play button is used to begin the slideshow. The play button is used to begin, otherwise start the slideshow. See the spelling, play button, PLAY, play, BUTTON, button. Okay, the play button is used to begin the slideshow. Third one, what are the different ways to advance the slide in the slideshow manually? What are the different ways to advance the slides in the slideshow manually? The answer is slides in the slideshow can be advanced manually by pressing the space bar, enter, right arrow, or by clicking the next button. So once again, sliding in the slideshow can be advanced manually. Okay, this is in the question. Okay, you can look at the question and write slides in the slideshow then can be advanced manually. Manual spelling is there by pressing the which keys? By pressing the space bar, enter, right arrow, or by clicking the next button. Space bar, enter, right arrow, or by clicking the next button. See the spelling, space bar, SPACEBAR, SPACEBAR, space bar. Then enter, ENTR, enter, right arrow, spelling is what ma, RIGH, right, ARROW, arrow, right arrow. Then clicking, CLICKING, clicking next button, NEXT, next BUTTON, button. Fourth question, how will you set the timing for the slideshow? How will you set the timing for the slideshow? Click the sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen to adjust the speed of the slideshow from slowest to fastest. Click the sliding scale. Click the sliding scale at the bottom left corner of the screen to adjust the speed of the slideshow from slowest to fastest. See the spelling, sliding scale, SLIDING, sliding scale, SCALE, scale. Then bottom, BOTTOM, bottom. Then left corner, LEFT, left corner, CORNER, corner. Okay. Adjust spelling is what ma, ADJUST, ADJUST, adjust. Speed, SPED, speed. Then slowest, 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 slowest. Fastest, FASTEST, fastest. Okay. The last question we have, how you can exit from the slideshow? How can you exit from the slideshow? How can you exit from the slideshow? The answer is click escape to exit the slideshow. Click escape to exit the slideshow. Okay, when you write escape, the spelling of the escape key in the keyboard is ESC. Okay, ESC. The E must be capital letter. Okay, so study well the question answers and book exercise ma, and we can start the next lesson in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye.